Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video, we will learn how to solve the problem of text or paragraph not aligning in your Word document. So, how to do it? Let's follow these easy steps. Okay. For example, I copy some text and paste it in my Word document. Alright. You can see, this paragraph is not aligned. If I click on the alignment option, it cannot be aligned, according to my requirements. So, how can I fix this? Simply, go to the Clear All Formatting option, and click on it. Okay. You can see that all of formatting has been removed from this paragraph. Now you can justify your text, matching your requirements. You can change the style, you can change size, etc. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.